So in my last video, I showed you this particular application. This is a Bible app. Like I showed you, most Bible apps out there doesn't have most of these features we integrated on our own application. Okay, so apart from the mobile app already monetized with AdMob, we've already decided to build the web version. So I'm going to simply review the features of this application on the web app and also the features on the mobile app. Okay, how I built this and monetize it. Okay, when you open the homepage of the application, you're going to see verse of the day. You can copy it. You can simply select another verse you want to read. Okay, there are many of them right here. Okay, the best thing about this particular verse of the day, every single day it always changes. Okay, so every single day you're gonna see new verses coming up on this very page. Okay, if you scroll down, you're gonna see the passages of the Bible you've already read. Okay, and this is Bible story section. Okay, it's gonna simply be updating itself every single day. Like when you open this app, you're gonna see another set of story. Okay, you can see we have the creation of the world, we have Noah's Ark, we have the David and Goliath story, we have the birth of Jesus as a story. Okay, and you can see right here, this is the statistics. These are the chapters we've already read on this very app. So apart from that, we have other features. If you go to this section right here, you're going to see other features. We have the dashboard, we have the AI companion. I'm going to come back here later. We have the Old Testament, we have the New Testament, we have other stuff right here. You can actually change to dark mode. Okay, so if you click on this Old Testament, let's say one of these Genesis. Okay, if you open any passage of the Bible, you're going to see this stuff, which is the AI reader. Okay, so if you come back here, you're going to see all versions of the Bible. So this is the part that also make this particular application unique. Okay, like every other Bible app you've been seeing only have one version of the Bible. Okay, some of them can have two, but majority of them all dwell in one version of the Bible. Okay, so right here we've already included lot of versions. Okay, we have the King James version, we have the KJV, we have the New King James version, which is NKJV. Okay, these are versions of the Bible you can actually select from here. Okay, you can simply select any of them from here. All right, select any chapter from here. We have chapter 1, we have chapter 2, chapter 3 to chapter 50 of Genesis. Okay, you can reduce the typography, you can also increase it. Okay, most of you will be like, play this stuff, let's hear it read. Okay, so I'm going to simply do that for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to simply click on this.
Genesis chapter 1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was without form and void, and darkness was on the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the waters. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And God saw the light, that it was good, and God divided the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. So the evening and the morning were the first day. Then God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." Thus God...
Okay, you can show here, you can see how clear the voiceover is. Okay, the best thing about this stuff is that you can actually go ahead and play this on your mobile phone. Though I'm going to simply show you the application right here. I'm going to show you the app. As you can see, all of them are just working perfectly. The next feature of this video application is this AI companion. Okay, this is what it says: "Peace be to you." This is the man of God speaking. All right, I am your AI Bible companion. Ask me anything about scripture, theology, or biblical history, then I'm going to answer you. All right, so if you type in anything right here, let's say why is so let's wait for it to generate the answer for us. You can see right here, so it's going to simply give you everything, the passages of the Bible and other Bible references. Okay, and we're going to simply include ad. Okay, and also we're going to simply add some payment features where if you don't want to be seeing ads, you can simply pay to use the app without advertisements. Okay, I know that's going to simply be a cool one. All right, but right now the app is free for everybody to use. You can simply check it out right here. So this is the app. You can see right here, this is the application here. So if you click on this, so you can see the application is working perfectly. This is a Bible app. Let me go to the dark mode. You can show why this is the dark mode. This is an AI companion. This is what it said here. So really just tell me Bible story. All right, an interesting Bible story. Interesting Bible story. Then you send it out. Okay, you can see right here the story has been generated. This is a Bible story. So this particular story is about the story of Jonah and the great fish. Okay, you can see this is a good one. So if you come over to this very section, you're going to see we have the Old Testament, we have the New Testament. Okay, so if you click on Old Testament, you're going to see all the Bible. You can see right here, if you click on this one right here, so you're going to simply reload and give you the version of the Bible you want. Okay, you can simply click on this section right here. to read. Okay, so let's say I want to select a new chapter. Then I click on new chapter here, verse 17. Let's click on play.
Almighty, walk before me faithfully and be blameless. Then I will make my covenant between me and you, and will greatly increase your numbers. Abram fell face down, and God said to him, As for me, this is my covenant with you. You will be the father of many nations.
So in the next video, so if you want me to make the video on how I build this mobile app and the web version, then I'm going to simply make the video on how I build it step by step. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this video channel, and join us on the Telegram channel. See you in the next video.